creative photo shooting rack for children's clothing. Unique damping angle adjustment design with strong bend tubes and extension rods. It is suitable for different shapes of tops, for shooting poses and dress shooting poses. Unique underarm support rod design can easily flatten the underarm clothes. Loosen the screw here. To adjust the width, the arms can be extended or retracted. The telescopic arm can adjust the length of the arm. The long-sleeved hanger is equipped with arm elbow pipes. To bend the shape, install the cuff plug. To stretch the cuffs, the hem bend tube can be straightened or curved. Connect the extension rod. It can shoot long clothes or dresses. The head of the extension rod here has a magnet, which can easily fix the hem of the clothes. The chest elbow can adjust the shoulder slope. The collar is equipped with a silicone head, which can be fixed with a needle to prevent slipping. Pre-installed transparent fishing line suspension, or tie your own hanger like this. It is suitable for shooting children's clothing in various styles.